Confused about how to edit your mockup template? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to turn it into a polished video mockup. And stick around until the end, I've got a secret tip that will make this process even easier. First, let's open the mockup template. For this video, I'll be using this particular template. Once you have it open, we'll need to preview how the video looks. So head over to Window and click on Timeline. This action will open up the video timeline where you can review the layout and see how your mockup video will look like. With the preview complete, we're ready to update the artwork in the mockup. First, head over to the Layers panel and find the Smart Object layer. To add your own artwork, you have to double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail, or alternatively, right-click and select Edit Content. Now, this is where you complete your video mockup. Import your artwork by dragging it into the workspace. I'm using this particular design today. Once it's in, adjust it so it fits perfectly within the frame. You might need to resize or reposition it just right. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click the checkmark icon or press Enter to apply your changes. Your new artwork will immediately update in the mockup. Be sure to go to File and select Save to keep these changes. After saving, close the Smart Object window. Your updated design is now part of the video. Moving on, let's prepare your video for sharing. Click on File again, then navigate to Export and choose Render Video. This will open up the render settings. Here you can rename the file to something descriptive and choose a specific folder where you'd like to save it. I'm keeping the default settings for now, but feel free to make any adjustments you need, such as changing the resolution or file format. Once you've set everything up, click Render and then sit back and relax as Photoshop processes the video. And just like that, you've learned how to create stunning mockups for your wall art. But here's something I didn't mention earlier. What if you want to create multiple mockups at once? That's where the Bulk Mockup plugin comes in. In the next video, I'll show you how to use this tool to batch create mockups effortlessly, saving you tons of time. Trust me, it will transform your workflow.